In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Google Doc and create a link to that doc, and then add a link to one of the pages that we've set up here in Canvas. So, from our home page, we're going to click Pages. In the right-hand side, you can click Show All to see all the pages that are associated to this course. You also see here some links to recent changes or pages that have been changed fairly recently. Again, you can click More to see all of those and scroll down and see the recent changes. And at the top here, some of the most common pages. So we're going to go into Applied Linguistics Projects, and this is the page that I created where each of you will add the link to your Google Doc. So I'll show you how to create a Google Doc, then I'll show you how to bring that link into this page in Canvas. So to create a document in Google, first make sure that you've signed in, and so you'll have to create a Gmail account, and once you've signed in here, you need to go to Google Drive. Most of the links at the very top here are the most common pages associated with Google, and Drive is usually one of those. So you can usually access Drive from up here. You can also do a Google search by using the terms Google Drive, and that'll take you right to the link. But each one of you will have your own Google Drive, which will consist of all the documents that not only have you created yourself, but also documents that maybe others have shared with you. So from our Google Drive page, we're going to create a document. And I'm just going to give this, so I'm just going to put in some text here. Our first week we'll need to create a problem statement. Alright, so you'll add your problem statement, 1 or 2 sentences here, and you'll probably want to rename it. And I'll just call this a PAR project, or Participatory Action Research Project, which is what we'll be working on for this class. So once you have created your document, remember that Google saves this as long as you maintain an active connection. It basically saves it instantaneously, so there's really no need to do save. You can always refer to the message up here, and it will tell you if all the changes have been saved. If for any reason that Google has not saved it, it will also indicate that here. Alright, so we have our document. Now what we have to do is share this document and create a link so others can access it. So there are 2 things here that we need to do. If you click on Share at the top right hand corner of your screen, this blue box, this will provide this option. And we're going to change who has access by clicking Change here. And you'll notice we have 2 options, public on the web and also anyone with the link. For our purposes, either one of these is fine. I would encourage all of you to select the public on the web option, which would allow others to find your research by doing a Google search. But it's optional. If you want to choose anyone with this link, that's fine also. Now, once you've done this, make sure that you leave this as default. So anyone can access it and view your document, and no sign-in is required, even though all the students taking this course will have their own account. But it's not necessary to be viewed. But do leave this option as can view. I would not change this to can edit or can comment. I guess if you want others to comment, that would be fine, I guess, but I would not recommend setting this where others could edit. Otherwise, anyone, anywhere could come in and start changing your document. So I would either keep it as can view or possibly can comment if you want others to comment, which is fine. And we're going to click Save. So now your document has been published. It's available where anyone can see your document. And if you'd like, you can also share this link that's provided up here at the top. You can email this link, share it with Google Plus or Facebook or Twitter. But it's not necessary for this class. Now, the second thing that you need to do is share your document with me And in order to do that, you'll need to add my email address, my Gmail address specifically, in this box, and leave it as default. It says here can edit, and you want to leave it here. So basically I will be able to come in and make comments to your document, and this is how I'll provide feedback. So I'll be able to come in and make comments and edit your document to give you feedback. And obviously if you want others to share, if you want to collaborate and share your document with others, you can do that too, but you'll have to manually put in each of their emails, specifically their Gmail accounts. So you could put several emails in this box here and separate each email with a comma. And down here you just have an option if you want to send a copy to yourself, you can do that. Paste the item inside of an email if you'd like to do that, but I seldom check those. If you want to add a message, you can click add a message, and you're prompted with a box here that you can add a message if you want. For me, it's not necessary. As long as you include my email here, I'll have access to your document, and that'll be fine. Then you click share and save. This will be the last step. So remember, there's two steps here. We want to share the document, creating a hyperlink, and then we want to share the document, adding my email here so I can access and make comments directly to each of your documents. Now, once we have our link here, I'm going to go ahead and Control-C or copy this link at the very top. And I'm going to go back to our document in Canvas, and I'm going to click Edit. And here I'm going to add my name. And I'm going to select my name, click this link icon, and Control-V or paste and insert link, and save. And so now we see that we have our link here. You'll notice that this box with a little arrow indicates that this is an external link. So some of the links in Canvas in the course that you'll be taking will consist of internal links, which are links within Canvas. Others are outside of Canvas, and the ones that are outside are indicated by this box. So if I click on my name or this link, this will now take me directly to this document. Now, anyone who's viewing this document, and this is a public page as well, so anyone can see this page, and anyone will be able to access your document, and that is by design. But if you have set up your share options like I mentioned here, no one will be able to change your document except for me. And if you want to collaborate with others, that's fine, but you will have to go in and manually add their emails as I mentioned before. So I hope this helps how to create a document in Google Drive and how to then share that document in with this page in Canvas. And again, we're going to create basically just a list of all of our projects. Each one of your projects will be included here in this page, and I think I'll go ahead and add a bullet point here. And after I make this video, I will remove my name here and put in some instructions, basically adding your name. I would add your name and perhaps a short description of your project, and then we'll all be able to access all the projects from this one location. So give it a shot. If you do have any questions or problems, feel free to email me directly in Canvas, or you may ask me in class. So good luck, and I look forward to seeing your projects this semester.